Elon Musk has taken a 9.2% stake in Twitter. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. When news broke that Elon Musk was taking a substantial stake in Twitter and in what essentially makes him the largest single shareholder of Twitter, well, it's the whole world that took notice. And in a lot of ways, this has been compared to Donald Trump's Digital World Acquisition Corporation, which is the SPAC that is scheduled to fuse with Donald Trump's social media platform to form a new company that will be quoted in the stock exchanges. So, as you can see on your screen, just for the day of today, the Twitter stock is up 27%, trading at essentially $50, up from, I think it was $33 yesterday, up from about $39 on Friday, April 1st, 2022. So this is very significant in a number of key ways. First, it brings to the forefront the question: how much power can one person wield in the world? Elon Musk is the world's richest person. He has a monopoly on transporting humans to space. That is apart from Russia and probably China. Elon Musk is the only other person beyond even NASA who can transport people to space and back. And then, of course, he is also the CEO of Tesla, which is one of the most valuable companies on the stock exchange. Tesla in America is the largest EV vehicle producer. So you put together all those factors, and then it brings to the forefront, like I said, the question of how much power can we allow one person to wield. However, I think for investors in Twitter, this is a very good move, because already Elon Musk has said what is apparent to many, that the stock price of Twitter is seriously undervalued. If you take the communication power of Twitter, I mean, very few people actually sit down these days to watch television. Most news delivery is through smartphones, smart devices, and then the way industry leaders, industry captains, and even political figures communicate with the masses is through platforms like Twitter. Nobody sits and waits for that call from Fox News, or like former President Trump would do. He would proactively pick up his phone and call Fox News during a program to air his views. But if you have a platform like Twitter, then you can essentially just type away and send your message out there. Elon Musk famously doesn't advertise for the Tesla vehicles. But if you look at the Tesla Twitter page and other Tesla forums, they are very active. And there you actually find people who are passionate about whatever discussion is going on, or whatever product is the subject of discussion. So in a way, this is more engaging, because you are actually speaking with a target audience who are actually interested in whatever product you are promoting on there. And I think that is the power of Twitter that Elon Musk saw. And I believe other people had seen it earlier, like President Trump, but they just didn't have the necessary leverage at the time to assemble the technical team and bring a product to market fast enough. Already the level of subscription of Truth Social, which will be essentially a rival to Twitter, is very high. And if you look at the fact that the company has been out just the platform has been out just a couple of weeks, and it is available only for the iOS system, then you can see the potential that having a loudspeaker like Twitter or Truth Social can be, and it's very essential for billionaires, industry captains who want to control their narrative to have control or a certain degree of control of social media platforms. If you go to countries like France, for example, you would find that it's the most successful businessmen in France who control about 80% of the local media. They control everything from the polling, how do you call it? The companies that conduct polls, they control those companies. They control online media outlets, and then they also control, traditional television and print media. So it comes as no surprise that that model is being replicated here in the United States, albeit with the participation of investors, retail investors, and that's just the major difference. But I don't think that this should trigger any regulatory eyebrows, but it should get a few people thinking about how much control we can allow one person to have over the daily lives of so many, not just Americans, but people around the world. Okay, that's all what I had to say about Twitter. It is up 27% today. The rival, Truth Social, lost 2 key executives. So the future of that platform, we don't know how soon or how badly they might be affected. So it's just something to keep watch on. And the Digital World Acquisition Corporation, which is the SPAC, which hope to take the Trump Media and Technology Group online, to the stock market, tanked today. I believe it lost about 10 percentage points in its stock valuation. So let's keep a close watch. Be careful how you invest your money. Seek the counsel of licensed financial advisors in case you don't know what stocks to pick. And good luck in your investments. Bye.